Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful long weekend. Yesterday we had a bank holiday in the UK. We had a very relaxing long weekend. Today is the 31st of August, Tuesday. As you know, that today is the last trading day of the month. And overall the market was consolidation, but we managed beautiful pips. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market in real time and help my traders to bank beautiful pips even in a consolidation market. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's take straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart today, in the London morning, we have this breakout. All breakout was already performed at the Asian session, so we had a beautiful small pullback. And at the at the New York session, we had a short trade here. That's what we explained to my trader. If the price failed to maintain this level, then we're gonna be taking a breakout short trade here. And right now, if you see it, we have bearish engulfing candle. And let's see if tomorrow, if the price gonna break this level, which is, you can see another support level, then we're gonna be keep taking a pullback short trade here. So let's see tomorrow. And let me share with you the today's analysis. We haven't had too good nice trade, but we managed few pp's. Even let me share with you the intraday analysis. Okay, so we had this morning, as you can see here, the price was at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. The first priority, always look for the pullback. As you can see, we had another beautiful pullback, only few pp's, bang, beautiful pips. And at the New York session, we can see here price refused to maintain this level in 4-hour, but we need a valid technical pattern. That's what we explained to trader. This is the high, which is, you can see here in 4-hour. And if explained to my trader, look, head and shoulder pattern is developed. So we're looking at breakout. Safest way, the previous low broken, but the most safest way if the price is going to break. So we had this breakout. As always, as explained to my trader, the first target always be the next flip channel, which you can see here, price nicely developed and back few pp's on Euro USD. All right, so pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, as explained to my trader, even live analysis, that if the price is going to fail to break 138 level, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. That's the one reason. And another reason is, if you look at here, price respected the resistance level, trend resistance level, and this is very powerful level. 138 level is also a big psychological number. That's what we explained to my trader. Just find the opportunities for short trade here. We also had a long, but let me share with you the how I analyze market in intraday and bank few pp's on pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, we had this morning, this is the analysis I did because price was, technically we were expecting a pullback here, but I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. So as you can see here, the reason why I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, then we consider pullback, and the target would be around this level at around a fib channel. So we had a one small long trade this morning. And at the New York session, price developed another pattern here. So we explained to trader, look for this breakout. We had a breakout. After the breakout pullback, that was the safest way to trade, which we explained through live audio commentary. As always, as soon as the price hit to the previous level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So in 4-hour, let me explain to you, we had then afterwards, as you can see, price reverse. And this time I explained to my trader, more likely price might going to break this level, and which nicely did. And the reason why I'm going to give you in 4-hour, because if you look at 4-hour, price third time, 1 second and third time came and hit this level and rejection, and that's give us the information momentum was bearish. So as always, the first target nicely hit. In 4-hour, you can see here nicely hit at the Bollinger Band. And right now, if you look at in 4-hour, we have the bearish engulfing candle. And tomorrow is the first trading day of the month. We'll see if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be keep taking a pullback short. We'll let you know tomorrow, guys. As you can see, we have managed beautiful pp's on pound dollar. We had amazing trades on dollar CAD. Let me share with you the dollar CAD. If you look at the 4-hour, To be honest, we were expecting a breakout because we had a very strong bearish candle was developing, but we can see here afterwards the rejection. So technically we are looking at this level breakout. This is the sideways. So if the price is going to break, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. Tomorrow we have a quite high impact news for dollar. Let's see how the market is going to do. If the price is going to break, then we're going to be keep taking a long trade here. So today we were expecting price might gonna break but reverse, so we came out at the break even, but we had a nice breakout as soon as the price again respected third time, and that's why we have taken a long trade here. And that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback in intraday as long as price gonna hit this level. You can see here previously developed, so this level, so we have banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. We have amazing trades. Okay, so this was the analysis I mentioned this morning, that we were looking at pullback, which price nicely developed pullback. As explained to my trader, this is a very strong support level, as you can see in 4 hour. So we're expecting the price might gonna break, but we don't drive the market. So you can see we came out this trade at the break even. In the morning, you can see here we have a consolidation, but we came out at the break even. And at the New York session, when I started, I explained to my trader, we have this candle pre-price third touch, we price nicely, you know, develop a triple bottom touch here, and then we're looking at the reversal, and that's price developed this pattern. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, otherwise within this channel, because the price has broken this previous high, so we explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. And I also announce all this pullback through live audio commentary. We have one pullback, second pullback, and this time I explained to my trader, we have a very strong, more likely price might gonna break this previous high, which the price did nicely. So we banked beautiful pips, and afterwards I did instantly, I broadcast another updates of the analysis. That's why we encourage traders to take the maximum opportunities towards the momentum and the trend. So we have another pattern develop, as you can see here, price nicely broken, and as always, as you can see here, nicely first target hit as mentioned in 4 hour. We had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. So you can see we, even in the consolidation market, we managed few pippies, bank beautiful pips. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and the most important thing, as always telling you guys, that you should be watching those analyses in real time and developing your trading skill in live market through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary. And once you develop your trading skill, and if you produce consistency result in this virtual platform, then I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I help my traders in real time through live intraday analysis through this platform, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.